Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn kids coding concepts through the website code.org. So let's start. You have to write code.org in the address bar of your web browser and then press enter. And here comes the website. Okay, there are two ways of reaching to the courses, but the easiest way is click here, learn, and on learn you will land to this page. What is this? Courses. Okay, and then you have to go down here and see the full course catalog. Here they have three parts of coding according to the grades, and we have to start with this one, that is grades K to 5. Click on the learn more, and here is that page. This page is for elementary school. See in the address bar. Now here, but as we are starting, so start with course A, Introduction to Computer Science for Pre-readers. Okay, this is course A, and here they are offering us lessons. How many lessons are there? 12 lessons. Unplugged activity, this one, it is just a video tutorial. They will give you introduction about computer science or looping or sequences. Okay, every part is having unplugged activity, that is just a tutorial. And okay, so I will jump to the lesson 2, which is learn to drag and drop. So just by its name you can understand what they will teach a child. Just drag and drop, just drag and drop. So let me go to final stage, final practice. Yeah, every lesson is divided into practices, so I'm going to 12th practice. In 12th practice, they are making a child to understand what is sequence. This scratch has to reach to the acorn. How? It has to move right, east direction. Okay, and then run. Continue. After completing practice 2, they automatically took us to practice 3. I don't want to do this, so I am finally jumping to practice 7. Ice Age. This cat has to get the acorn. How? And this is programming with loop. Okay, so let's start with the loop and how we are going to do it. Okay, after doing everything, just run. So this is BB8. It has to collect all the scrap metals. How many scrap metals? One, two, three, four. Okay, so this is the code. Once after taking this scrap metal, for to take this scrap metal, the BB8 has to move east, one east, two east. That's why I written it. Then it has to go down. After taking two south, it will come here, and from here directly it has to take four west. Okay, in two west it will take this scrap metal, and two more west it will reach here, and from here it has to take four north up directions. Okay, so this is the description about the coding, how I did it, and then run it. Okay, 5, 5, and east. Okay, in 5 east, this crat will reach here. And if you take this another loop and take it for north direction. Okay, so 5 east and 5 north, the scrat will reach here. Instead of taking two loops, we can do this all in one loop also. Do you know how? See, let me remove this one. Okay, how to remove? Just take it and drag it here. Okay, so we will put this north here only. Okay, so in the same time, so how it will be, how it will form? The graph will be formed like zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, let's try it. Run. So in one loop only we are working. Great. So the solution I found for this is here. Okay, and see, first I will break this into parts, how it is going to work. Okay, so see how many rows we have here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 rows and 5 columns, right? So these I'm going to work row wise. Row wise means first I will enter in the topmost row. I will collect all the gems. Okay, here is the Eureka standing. Okay, Eureka have to move west one by one and collect the gems. One step west and get the gem. Once another step west and get the gem. Okay, so for that I have written this loop. 5 times west and get the gem. After getting all the 5 gems, Eureka have to move one more west to get to stand here. After standing here, Eureka have to move down. After down, then east. 5 east. So here is the loop for 5 east, and after getting all the 5 gems, Eureka have to go one more east to stand here again. Same place but on the second row. Okay. And as Eureka has collected all the gems from first row and second row, Eureka has to go down for the third row. Again for the third row, the loop will start again from here. Okay, so this all thing is going to be repeated for 3 times. Okay, let's play it. Let's see the code, actual code which is running at the back end of these all east, west, get gems and repeat loop. Okay, show code. Now let's move directly to the final practice, that is 14th here. Okay, the artist saw something funny in the distance. Draw what you think he saw. I think we have to draw anything and the challenge is completed. That's it. We can use any of these things. Hmm. Okay, let's leave it. Let's make a square. Down, left, up, and right. Okay, run it. Okay, we did this and finish. Here is your drawing. Keep working on it or continue to next puzzle. Okay, so they have not given a particular challenge that you have to complete it. It is just your imagination, that what you can imagine and draw something here. So the square is the simplest one, I think. So let's continue. 12. On the move with events. So they are teaching us event. Okay, let's go to the first one because everybody, all the kids have to understand what is event. This is a play lab level. Move blocks to the workspace and see what happens. You have to set some event. Means when you move up or when this doggy move up, down or any direction, something have to happen. That is the event. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, I will show you simple example. They have given here the triangles also. Okay, let's, when you click to upper triangle, show frog. When you click on the dog, when you click on the dog, what will happen? Say hi there, hi everyone. Okay, it. Run. Okay. And say hi. At least try this event. Say hi, everyone. Okay. Now show frog. Where, how to show frog? Up triangle. Okay, here. Now I want to bring this dog near to the frog so that we can see this event. Play random, okay? So this is how the event and action works. Now down button, if we press down button, the dog will move down, down, down. See, I heard the sound of drum. Okay, so we have seen events. Okay, this is the what? This is free play practice of lesson 12. Let me go. Let's do the practice 8. Mini project. George the dog. Okay, let's run. When run, say hi there. And then when you will click up triangle, dog will move up and dinosaur will vanish. Up triangle. Yes, dinosaur is vanished. And now finish this because yes, our action and event both are done. Event and action both are done. Finish. Now, congratulations, you have completed the final puzzle. You can press the keep playing button to go back to playing your story. Next puzzle. They have given certification. Like you can say that in school or your classroom, when you complete any challenge or finish your homework, teachers give you sticker. So in the same way, you can say that it is a kind of sticker. Okay, it is just a certificate for a child's happiness. Okay, don't assume that it is a real certificate. Okay, because certificates are not given in this way. Okay, so we have completed course A. Congratulations on completing course A. Okay, you can write your name and submit it, and then your name will come here. Okay, so done. This was all about course A.